Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So from top you can see this part would look like this. So go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch. We'll start from the top plane, so we'll select here the exit plane, rotate the view, go to the rectangle command, and here we are going to take polygon command. We'll select here 6 sides, select the center and make one polygon. Go to dimension, define the outer as 100. Okay. Now here take the vertical constraint, select this point and select this point. Okay. Now finish sketch and here take extrude. Take here 15 mm and press OK. Now select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate the view. Here take the circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 40. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude. We will take here extrude of 30 mm. Okay. This extrude, this bottom will increase. Go to extrude 1, double click and decrease to 20 mm and press OK. Okay. Now here go to part 1. We are going to make this profile first. Okay. Go to part 2. For this profile, select this top face, go to create sketch, rotate and here take the polygon and here we are going to take 2-point rectangle. Make a rectangle profile, go to dimension, define it as 24 mm. Okay. Now go to coincident, select this center point, the green point and this yellow point. Go to dimension or first go to fillet, take here fillet of radius 12. This will be half of 24. Select here, select this and select this. Okay. Now go to dimension. From this center, the center of this arc will be at 38 mm. Okay. Now finish sketch. Take extrude. This will also remain 30 mm and I'll flip the direction. And here I'll take join. Now press OK. Okay. Go to home. So this will be the new profile. I want a count of 3. So I'll take here circular pattern. Select extrude 3. Go to rotation axis. Select this face. And here I'll take a count of 3 and press OK. Okay. Now here select this top face. Go to create sketch. Here take the circle command and at this center point make a circle of diameter 12 and here go to circular pattern, select this circle. Okay, we will project this first. Exit, go to project this profile. Now go to circular pattern, select this circle, go to axis and select this as axis. So it will consider this as the center point. We have to take here 6 as a count and press OK. Finish sketch, take extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut and here we are going to take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay. Now here go to the top view, go to part 1. Now here I'll rotate the profile. You can see a cut profile, a taper cut is being given and here a slot profile is being given. First we are going to make this taper cut. Go to front view, it will look like this. Okay. Go to home. Now go to part 2. Go to home view. Here go to origin and we are going to select here the XY plane and here go to create sketch. Go to view, visual style and wireframe. Okay. Go to sketch, line command and we are going to start a line here. Don't select the green points, they are the center points. Select this and here select this and select this. Escape, go to dimension, define the angle here as 25 degree, and from center point we'll select this point here. Go to home and we are going to select this entry point. Go to front view, this will be also 25 mm and escape. Okay, so this line will start from 25 mm and the angle will also be 25 degree. Finish sketch. Okay, double click sketch file. Here you can take this as the rotation axis. Finish sketch, take revolve, select this profile. For axis, select this line. Go to view, visual style, change it to shaded with edges. Here you can see a new profile has been generated, but I want to cut this profile. So I'll take here, cut and press OK. Okay. Now this will be the taper profile. Go to 3D model. Now here select this face, go to create sketch. Here take the rectangle command, take 2-point rectangle and make a rectangle profile here. Go to dimension, define this width as 24. Okay, and here again we will take a fillet dimension. So we'll take here fillet of 12, select this and select this, select this and select this. Okay, now here escape, go to project geometry, project this circle. Now go to coincident, select this point and select this point. Okay, similarly select this and select this. So this is fully constrained. Now finish sketch, rotate the view, take extrude, select this profile, select this profile. Here flip the direction, take here cut and take a depth of cut as 10 mm and press OK. Okay, now I want a count of 3, so I'll take a circular pattern once again. Select extrude 5, take rotation axis and we'll select this profile. Go to home and go to top view. You can see here it is selecting all the 6 profiles. I want a count of 3 and the angle will remain 360 degree. Press OK and go to home view. So this will be the final output. Now here I will provide the appearance. From here I'll take yellow color and OK. So this was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D part model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.